Hello and welcome to Genius Print. This is Tushar and today I came back again to share with you an important information regarding the syllabus of BBM examination. Yes, you have seen in this thumbnail that today's video is going to be discussed on this syllabus of this BBM examinations. Okay, because some of the student commented that sir, please make a video about this syllabus, details analysis of the syllabus. That means from which subject or from which topics, how much we have to pay our more attention to get maximum marks. Okay, so for that reasons I appeared here to share this information. Yes, I think it is very important because otherwise you will not actually understand which topics you have to give extra attention for making maximum score on it. Okay, before I begin, I will request all of you, those who have not subscribed our channels, please subscribe it and share this video with your friends so that they can also get this. Okay, and another thing is that I already searched in YouTube that I am sure there is not any other channels which are making this video regarding these examinations. For that reasons I am requesting you, please subscribe and help us to make our channels a very big family, so that you can get all this opportunity regarding examinations and also from live classes also. Okay, so let's get started for today's video. Another request, I am sure all of you are listening very noisy class today because now it is Diwali times and in our surroundings also puja is going on actually from yesterday also. So for that reason some noise may be there in our video, so for that reasons I am very sorry. Please enjoy this video. Okay, so first thing is that weightage of this different. First of all, I will write this subject, okay, as you see here. Then I will write this weightage on each topics. Okay, so one is science and math. Okay, science and math, this is core subject. Okay, these are core, these are core subject, that means main subject. वैसे तो सब सब्जेक्ट ही मेन होता है, लेकिन these are main subject. Okay, because this will carry maximum weightage of this marks. Okay, so this will carry how much? 50% of the total weightage, 50% of the total weightage. Okay, that is 50% means 50 marks, because each questions will carry 1 marks, as I already told this with in that means our earlier videos also. So 50% of this total weightage means 50 questions, and this each questions will carry 1 marks, and for that reason 50 questions. Number of question, yes, you can write this is weightage, this is number of question, and another is marks. So 50 questions, 50 marks. Okay, 50 questions, 50 marks. And next thing is that yes, it is science and math, and next another part is contribution to science. Okay, another is Indian contribution to science. See, these topics or subject you can say was in our earlier examinations also, that means in BBM 2020 also. Okay, so and it is repeated again. So you can see this video which we have already made, I am sure in our earlier classes, that means in 2020. Okay, so see this video first of all, and here these topics will carry how much? These topics will carry 20% of the total weightage. Okay, 20% of total weightage, that is how many questions will there? 20 questions will there. And what will be the marks for this 20 questions? 20 marks. Okay, so this are our second topics or subject you can say, and which carries this 20% of the overall marks, and it will 20 questions and 20 marks. Okay, each of these questions also carries 1 mark. And next, number 3 is biography. Okay, number 3 is life story of Acharya Prafulla Chandra Ray. Okay, biography. Biography of Acharya Prafulla Chandra Ray. We have already made a video of 10 MCQ, and we will make another volumes also for this biography of Acharya Prabhupada Chandra Ray. Okay, so please first of all see our this video. I will give this videos links on this description box, and you can also check in our I button. Okay, so this is the biography of APC or Acharya Prabhupada Chandra Ray, and another topic is added with it, that means contribution of him to Indians, his history and science. So these sections will also carry 20% of the mark total weightage, that is 20 MCQ and 20 marks. Each and every question will carry this 1 marks, and it will total gives you 20 marks. This section is very easy if you follow our all these questions, volume 1, volume 2, etc. And another is study materials given by this BBM official website, then this is sufficient, and you can easily score 20 marks from these topics. Okay, and next fourth part is our logical reasoning section, logic and reasoning. Logic and reasoning. So these sections will carry 10% of the overall weightage, and this 10% will carry 10 questions, and these 10 questions will carry 10 marks. Okay, because all of these questions are basically 1 marks questions. Okay, yes, 1 marks each. So how many questions are there? 50, 20 becomes 70, and 20 becomes 90, 90 and 10 becomes 10. Okay, so number of questions is 10, 100, and percentage there is also 100 percentage, and it is 50, 20, 20 and 10, there is 100 marks. Okay, so 100%, 100 questions and 100 marks. So these are basically 4 important subject and topics from which these different weightage I have written here. So this weightage will carry these marks, and I am sure all of you have got this informations clearly, and please give your focus on this point only, so that you can get maximum marks by reading minimum amount of study materials. Okay, so please follow this this kind of information for topics. Another some of the topics, let me write here. BBM 2021 examinations will conduct on exam date. There is exam date. Exam date is in two different date they will conduct these examinations, and some of this student already commented that, sir, please tell us when this exam will be conducted. Okay, so they will conduct exams in 2 different date, and you don't think that you have to give in 2 different things, 2 different date. No, anybody can give. That means they will decide in which date your exams will be conducted. Okay, only one date you will give these exams, but they will take this exam in two separate date. Okay, for a large volumes of the students, they separated or split it. Okay, so please make sure that when your exams will be conducted. It is 2 date. One is 13th of November, 13th of November, and another is 5th of December. Okay, 30th of November, and another is 5th of December. These are 2 important dates. On that date you have to give these examinations. Okay, and another thing is that exam times is from 10 am to 10, both of these exam time is 10 am to 8 pm. Okay, so 10 am to 8 pm, yes, 8 pm you can give in any time from 10 am to 8 am once. Okay, you can give this your exams from 10 am to 8 pm one time. Okay, if you registered or login, then you have in between these times you can give any time this examination. But if you suppose you have visited at 10:30 and then registered or login and started exam and then pause, then you choose that now I will give these exams after 2:30, then your exam will be disqualified. Please keep in mind these informations, and time for these examinations is 90 minutes. Okay, Time of this examination is 90 minutes. When you will start this exams, you will get 90 minutes. That is for 100 questions or 100 marks, you will get 90 minutes. That means 1.5 hour. Okay. So these are important informations. You have to keep in mind these things. And the result date is 20th of December. Result 20th of December. Okay, 20th of December will be declare their result. Okay. And exam center, yes, some of the students told me that, sir, from where we have to give this exams. So exam center is basically for this first level, you have to give this exam from your own home. That is, you can say it is OTP or open book test, you can say from your home through your mobile or your laptop or desktop. Okay. So you have to keep in mind that for this level 1 examinations, no need to go another school or a different examination center. As for information they uploaded now, from this information or based on these informations, I am saying that. Okay. So you have to visit their official website thoroughly so that you can get any other update also. Okay. So you have to care, you have to very much care about this, careful about this topics and date. Okay. Because if anybody misses the date, then his or her exam may be cancelled. So I have written here this information by visiting their website. You can also visit this thing, and you should visit these things because these are very important things, because there may be some fault from us also for writing a different note copy or taking notes also. Okay. So you have to visit their official website also. Okay. And if any other update, that means they shows us, then definitely I will try to give it to you. Okay. So for today's video, I have written these things for you. Please write all these informations in a small page and paste it over the tables where you are studying, and by seeing it, please practice your questions as much as possible daily basis. Okay. And another request to all of you, that some of the student told us that, sir, we want to take some live classes. I am actually came here also to give informations to you that I will take this live class definitely, no doubt, but you have to make a group. If your group has 50 to 100 students, then our live class will start, and otherwise you have to wait for some times, because we will make this class. Actually we have some offline classes, and for that reasons we are not able to make this classes, or we are not able to make time for taking these classes. So if you manage this group, please on your own responsibility, then someone please comment below that, sir, we have made this group from our school and by combining two other schools also. Then write in the comment section, we will definitely start our classes as fast as possible. Okay. So this is for you, and I am sure, yes, this November, so started this November is result date, sorry, exam date, 5th December exam date, 10 AM to 8 PM, 90 minutes. Yes, it is, weightage here I have written all these things to the December sub result. Okay. So before I finish this video, again I will wishing all of you happy Diwali to all of you, and stay home and take care of yourselves. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.